Okay. So the next update now from Mohammed Diko.
Mohammed Diko, quickly come forward now.
Maybe the complainant and the respondents now Ahmed Tijani.
Mohammed Diko no there for studio.
Yeah.
Why?
Now then be the people where come the other day where they allege talk say they pay over 15 million naira. Them as a group pay over 15 million naira for job to this Ahmed
Civil Defense Officer.
Yes, sir. So you called the PRO and they say they come, they go, he invited the respondent, but now they pay them 1 million naira yesterday out of the
15 million.
Yes, sir.
Talk to us.
Hello, sir. Good morning, Mrs. Ordinary President. Good morning, Brekete Family, and good morning, audience. So, honestly, what happened, sir? They invited me last 2 weeks. So, what stopped me coming, sir, is my house don't catch fire. And I later reported it to the Akramakala and the headquarters.
Your house catch fire?
More than 10 bedrooms.
How manage, sir?
You say?
How manage the house catch fire? So now electricity, I been a candle, I been a stove.
Sir, na NEPA, they bring lights full. NEPA, sir.
Sue them to court. No, I'm serious. Sue them to court.
So it's what happens, sir. And they more than 10 bedrooms.
I hope nobody die.
No, my junior and nobody died.
Okay.
Because my father died.
They can't carry you, they can't invite you come Civil Defense Headquarters.
Yes, sir.
Which day you go?
Yes, I go day before yesterday and yesterday, sir.
How much they give you?
They give us 1 point.
1
million, sir.
1 million naira.
Yes,
out
sir.
Of how much?
Out of 17 million and 500 and something. Because we are in group. I'm the group leader. It's my people.
Wait now. After they give you 1 million, before they give you 1 million, waiting then tell you, and after they give you 1 million, waiting then tell you.
Thank you, sir. Before they give us now, say they will call the suspect. After they call him, say that we sit together and get the receipt of payment so that we know how much our money with him. Then we bring the receipt. Then we calculated the money. So we are in 11 in number, but there are some 2 people. They are having connection in EFCC. Then they separated themselves. They go to the EFCC, report their matters. And
EFCC don't recover their money for them.
Before they get connection, their elder brother is working there. Then they call the suspect to the EFCC in Kaduna. They press him well. Then the suspect give them 2.2 million and 100,000. According to what he said.
And how much be their own money? Then we get connection where they give 2.1 million.
Their money is 3.1.
Okay, so
they can't give them 2 points. So the later one, the remaining balance is with us because I'm their group leader. That money came through me and then I gave to him. So I gave the receipt of the payment. So later on, when we are sitting in the anti-fraud office, the prosecutor asked us. Then I now show him the receipt. Now we calculated our money. Our remaining balance is 15 million. 570
minus that 2.1 million where EFCC recover. So waiting they can't tell you as they give 1 million. When they talk say they go balance the remaining 14 point something million.
So the suspect said that he promised he's going to give each month 1 million naira, and we tell him that, sir, look at the situation we are passing through.
Which situation? Well, no, go give bribe. Not be God catch you now. Una go collect 1 million.
Yes, sir.
Now God punish you now so.
Yes, sir. So
people slot now when I want use money bribe collect. You are trying to buy somebody's mandate and you are talking about situation. Although bribery not be anything shameful again for Nigeria, but here na shameful thing.
It's true, sir.
Yeah, na shameful thing.
It's true, sir.
So what thing una can conclude now? So, 1 million every month I be 2 million every month.
No, he says 1 million, sir. And I later say, okay, no problem. Then let me talk to my people. Then we talk to them. And the people say that let's increase the money to be 2.03 so that at least people, they don't have something to do right now. He said no, and the suspect is bragging. He came along with his lawyer. You understand?
The suspect, they brag?
Yes, sir.
The waiting be name?
Ahmed Tijani Damekose.
Ahmed Tijani
Damekose, yes, sir.
And a civil defense officer in B.
The civil defense officer.
Which state which command in they serve?
In the serve for Kaduna.
Kaduna?
Yes, sir. But I don't know his commander around Tidinwada.
Ahmed Tijani Damekose?
Yes, sir.
He carry lawyer come?
He carry lawyer come, sir.
To civil defense office.
Yes, sir.
And they brag to now.
Yes, sir. And even saying that you people should consider it will not be every month say we will see them at 1 million. They tell you now. You better know in the bottom of your, you better know this one.
I bet call the PRO, make we hear from them. Thank you very much. Hold on, sir. Abi, you get anything you want to add finally?
Finally, be saying I can't go after we discuss this, and then I'll go to the PRO office and reported everything to him. And PRO say he talk to the in charge of the anti-prop so that we know how to increase the money. I said, okay, thank you for participating. He told me that when I came here to greet you, I say no problem. I will let you, and then I will let you do update what is going on there yesterday. I say, let me receive the 1 million so that it be part of my evidence. So that I will come in here to show.
So you don't collect 1 million?
I collect because I tell them to give me the undertaking. Say they never give me. They won't give me because they are having their letter headed. They won't give me. I say, so what if you are going to give update to Brekete? Say no, then they don't go give me update. I say, after some minutes, then I just think. I say, we people just give me the
1 million.
So that when I come, be part of my evidence that I receive the 1 million.
Okay, thank you very much. Talk to her.
Hello, good morning, G.
Good morning, Consultant.
Yes, me and you there live on Brekete Family, Human Rights Radio and Television now.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now, concerning the matter of those people where ordinary president being direct to you after we do their case here, where give money to one of on our own, about 17 million naira for job, where you talk, say you go look into now the matter where we they do now.
Yes, we started work on the case, sir. And even the guys were in my office yesterday, and the officer in question, we were able to see him, and we were able to finalize. Like he said, he'll be paying 1 million naira every month to them, and which he has started by paying 1 million naira.
Tell him, say the complainant talk, say they brag.
The complainant talk, say they very, very comfortable for an office. They brag. It be like say,
he even carry lawyer for nobody.
Carry lawyer. It be like say on.
No add anything. Just tell him.
There's nothing. There's nothing of such. Because if the lawyer stepped in, I would have been informed by the anti-fraud. So I don't think so.
Okay.
So
it means say you not be part of that meeting.
Immediately when we absorb any cases from we channel it to the appropriate quarters, and we'll make sure the Commandant General is aware of the case.
Okay, so this one where you don't talk, say you go they pay 1 million every month, but turn back behind, can't tell them say make them know say they no go they get the 1 million. How na go do them?
No, I didn't. What the result of the whole thing is that they'll be paying 1 million. I don't think there's anybody that says they shouldn't do that. They won't pay that money. They will surely pay it.
Hold on for ordinary president.
Hello, my Oga. Good morning, sir.
Ordinary President. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. First of all, there is no written document. There is no commitment whatsoever that says this is the agreement that has been reached. You cannot be in that office forever. The anti-fraud person cannot be there forever. What if something happens and there's some kind of cabinet reshuffle, and then you can't make you deputy commandant general somewhere? You can't come out here because your rank don't pass a PRO, and then the other person can't go another place. What are we going to hold? And the complainant talk say the respondent will be Ahmed Tijani make or say carry lawyer follow body. Can't they brag in their presence? Say even this 1 million naira every month, according to the complainant, say he talk say. No be every month the free get more. See where person get choice to even brag before person was supposed cover in face in shame. I beg make we investigate this matter.
I will do that.
They don't give them 1 million naira remaining 14 point something million. Abi?
yes, sir.
Remaining 11 point. Microphone no there with you.
Remaining sorry, sir. Remaining 11,517,000.
It remaining 11.5 something million. Now, make we know wetin una go come up with. We go give us assurance. Say una dey committed to fighting corruption within the system.
We will do that, sir.
Thank
and
you.
I'm very sure that there will be written agreement. I'm very, very sure of that. Because there's no way somebody will be paying 1 million per month and there won't be written agreement.
Una no go appreciate this PRO. This PRO better pass Air Force PRO. Make we appreciate Civil Defense PRO. Thank you very much, my brother.
All right, sir.
May God continue to bless and protect you.
Amen.
May you never suffer waste pain.
Amen.
May you never experience power failure on duty.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you,
sir. Thank you, Madam President.
My brothers, my sisters, come now, come. Camera, walk with me. Camera, walk with me. Bring me that microphone. Oh, na red they put on. Oh, I beg, carry and go back. Thank you. And hey, bad belly cameraman, you no go capture now. Hey. Make we appreciate my end. Hey. I'm surrounded by beautiful and intelligent as well as industrious women. They are not just, see the combination. All my daughters around, they are beautiful. Wow. They are intelligent. They are industrious. Meaning to say, no be liability them be. One of them said, na lawyer. Hey. One na gari merchant. One na gero. Oh, make we appreciate all my daughters. My brothers, my sisters, if I look on and I say time, don't they give us signal to do, signal make we continue to develop, not they go. Yes, we don't do this matter reach level. No worry. We now go back to civil defense.
Thank you, sir.
And civil defense now very serious and respectable organization.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know whether you understand.
I understand very well, sir.
Civil defense, where they see, they are so organized that if you bring any matter that has to do with their officer, yes, they know they wave them off.
True, sir.
You know, be like Air Force. I don't know whether you understand.
I understand.
You know,
sir.
Be like Air Force.
Yes, sir.
Where we call provost marshal over cry where wife carry come say husband won't kill him. Provost take that thing, they laugh. So waiting at the suspect be say into they beat him wife. If no be so, who go here say who's husband they beat wife? A responsible man will go laugh over the matter. And this person is your subordinate in the office. Something where army know they take lightly. Army, it better. Army man go prefer making wife slap him for room than make she go report him for office. Say he they maltreat her. If you see any colonel will be army, in wife will be civilian, na brigadier general. Army man wife get one rank ahead of him. Now him make when he reach for him to hang rank, now him wife go come decorate him because now him senior she be for rank. Anybody we go feel wake up for night, they beg him. Now your senior. Lembe. So I never beg before.
Wait to know now.
So I never beg before.
Me, I know they beg anything. Yeah? I know they beg anything.
Somebody like you go carry cry, you follow. Oh, my belly go pay me.
Me, I know they beg.
Ordinary, my mouth too ordinary. You too talk ordinary. Quiet. My brothers, my sisters, if I looked at an assistant time, don't they give us signal to do it in signal, make we continue to the not they go.